In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in your Google Ads account. Imagine you're running a business that operates in multiple countries, or perhaps you're planning to expand your market. You might find yourself needing to deal in a different currency than what you initially set up in your Google Ads account. While changing the currency directly isn't possible due to how Google structures its accounts, there's a workaround that I'll guide you through, ensuring you can advertise in the desired currency successfully. First things first, navigate to your Google Ads account. Once there, you'll be greeted by the Overview page, a central dashboard that gives you at a glance insights about your ads performance. If you're new to Google Ads, this dashboard is pivotal for monitoring your campaigns, understanding trends, and making data-driven decisions. After acquainting yourself with the Overview page, it's time to dive into the admin settings. To do this, simply hover over the admin option. Think of the admin area as the control room for your Google Ads account. It's the place where all crucial settings, including your account's structural foundations like time zones and currency settings, are housed. Clicking on Account Settings within Admin will navigate you deeper into the customization and operational settings of your account. This is where the initial steps to adjust your currency begin. To locate currency settings, you'll first click on the Time Zone option. Although it might seem unrelated at first glance, Google groups time zone and currency settings together, as they both fundamentally affect how your account operates and reports data. Upon entering the time zone section, you'll notice a Learn More link. Clicking on this doesn't just offer educational resources, but also guides you toward further steps in adjusting account settings, including currency changes. Next, you'll need to find and click on Your Currency Setting. This action will lead you to information explaining how Google Ads currency settings work. While directly changing the currency of an existing account isn't possible, Google provides a supportive path. The solution involves creating a new Google Ads account under your existing Google account, but with the new desired currency. By selecting the option to create a new account, you embark on setting up an entirely fresh Google Ads account, but this time with the correct currency for your business needs. This step is crucial because all billing, bidding, and payment information in Google Ads is inherently tied to the currency you choose. Be cautious and deliberate when selecting your currency, as it influences financial reporting and transactions within the account. While proceeding with the new account setup, you'll reach a form requesting your account information. Fill in the necessary details attentively. When you come to the billing page, this is where you make the critical decision, setting your desired currency. Remember, the choice of currency here is final for this account and affects how you'll be charged for ads, how you'll bid in auctions, and how your financial metrics are displayed. Let's recap. Changing the currency in your Google Ads account isn't a direct path, but rather a journey that involves creating a new account with your preferred settings. It's essential to approach this with attention to detail, ensuring every step is followed precisely to establish the new account with the desired currency. This method ensures that your advertising efforts align with your business's operational currency, making financial management and reporting smoother and more integrated with your overall business processes. As we wrap up, remember, setting up a new account for currency change is a significant step. So pause and review each step carefully to ensure accuracy. This tutorial aims to guide you seamlessly through this process, making your Google Ads experience more tailored to your business needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to change currency in your Google Ads account. Whether you're adjusting to new market demands or streamlining your financial reporting, the flexibility to align your advertising efforts with your business currency is essential. Happy advertising! And may your campaigns be successful and your conversions high.